Alright, let's try this again. So, I completely broke my streaming setup. Or my stream overlays, all those good things. And I had to completely rebuild them, so I've been on streaming in a couple of days. I did play some Street Fighter with some good friends of mine last night, though, and I felt like I learned a little bit. So that's good. Played mainly Sakura and Akuma. So worked out pretty well. Let's get some additional light in here. There we go. Little fill light action. Got an Elgato fill light. If anybody's looking for one, those are great. Or like looking for a fill light. The Elgato's really good. Cool. Here we go. Who are we going to be facing off against here? Yuri. Jury? I got jury duty. That's fine. Alright, and y'all let me know, too, if, like, this background's too busy. I'm learning After Effects, and this is, like, just a fun thing that I did. So, don't necessarily have to use it, I just thought it was kind of cool. Might simplify it a bit. What's up, Jerry? You know, we're going to be working on our poke game today. Alright. Yeah, I gotta stop doing those dragon punches off the ground. It's not doing me any favors. Oh, okay. It's alright. We're gonna get there.
Round two.
We're gonna get there.
Fight.
Oh, that did not feel good. We'll get there. That was the wrong sound effect. Whatever. Let's do this again. Let's do this again.
Round one. Fight.
Right. There we go. Alright, so really, I gotta stop trying to rely on my Dragon Punch so much. And this is the big thing I've been saying during stream. And try to get those light confirm and then the poke. And it looks like my jumping kick here is pretty good. Alright, light hurricane goes into. Alright, I shouldn't have gone for that Dragon Punch. I knew I shouldn't have gone for that Dragon Punch. Ah, feels bad. But you know what? We're learning. We're learning.
Final round. Fight.
Alright, that is the Whiff Punisher. Test passed. Hey, how's it going, man? Who passed which test? Ah. Oh man, okay. I kind of let it get away from me. But yeah, the big thing I've been figuring out is don't do the Dragon Punch unless they whiff, or I'm using it for anti-air, which that may be not right in all cases. And then I really need to start using a lot of my light confirms. Oh, I did get Geef's Gym in the mail because I got a physical copy of it, the book. That's kind of cool. So I'm gonna start working through all those exercises from the book. Like $15, so it wasn't a huge deal. Oh, okay. Yeah, before I came on stream, I was having to test everything because I completely nuked my stream setup. So, kind of trash. So I had to rebuild everything. Is the background too busy? If the background's too busy, I could tone that down. I was learning After Effects and I just went kind of nutty. Cool. I might mute it a little bit more, just to make it a little bit lighter and actually change like the white to a different color. I don't know. That was 3 days of learning After Effects, and now I'm like, I want to do all kinds of animations and stuff. Yeah, I think most people that stream and get into it probably are. It's a weird program, isn't it?
Round one. Fight.
All right, we got a Cammy, and she's pretty high level. Oh, Jesus, what were you rendering? There we go. I would imagine for that long of a render time, yeah, probably. Most of the stuff I've rendered so far, like this background was like 4 seconds. So it wasn't a huge deal. Oh, that was it. Looking on the overlay. Gotcha. Yeah, I'm trying to find the balance between like too busy and kind of okay. That felt good. Woof. Yeah, I kind of want to like switch around on mine too.
You win.
Like overlays are cool. I want to figure out how to make widgets, like how to really customize those. I haven't found any good documentation online. Matrix thing going on. So I read a thing the other day, and I'm not sure if it's true, but I think it was an interview from the Matrix movie. But they wanted some like Japanese text, and they wanted to actually be real text. So they use like a Japanese cookbook as the basis of the Matrix code. Oh, dude, this is not going well. Get me out of here. What? That dude just got a perfect KO. Good for him or her. But that felt bad. Dude, that's done. Oh, that's bonkers. Yeah, that was over. That's over. So, this background I did in 4K, and I don't know if I actually need to do the background in 4K. It's like just a little 4-second loop. I used CE Retile, I think, one of the built-in effects. So that's just a little grid that's split into half. So I've got 2 of the animations playing on one side and 2 of the animations playing on the other side.
Round 1. Fight.
And then they're offsetting. Alright, this dude's being like super aggro. Extra memory and OBS for nothing. Your max streams. Yeah, so I mean it's capturing the 4K, right? So does that actually matter, or is
Final round. Fight.
Oh yeah, and on the OBS front, I actually turned around and decided to use Streamlabs after some testing. I think OBS is probably a little bit more efficient. Ah, that feels bad.
You lose.
You have used Sakura 150 times.
We used Sakura 150 times. Oh, I started using Streamlabs instead of OBS. So I started off using OBS, and then I kind of went over to Streamlabs just because some of the extra features. So really, my big thing is like I've been streaming Street Fighter, and like occasionally League of Legends, but I actually want to do like educational content. So I was like, I'm gonna grab some of these tools that they have inside of Streamlabs. I could probably do the same thing in OBS. It would just be, I don't know, cost versus value thing, I guess.
Round one.
But no, big question was, yeah, it really is. But for the most part, I'm okay with the dumbed down parts. Yeah, that's a pretty good combo, man. Oh yeah, I forgot. Kuma's fireballs go through my stuff. There we go. Screwing over streamers.
That was a bit close.
Round two.
Yeah, was it something to do with the tipping system or something like that? Alright, so this guy has got one combo that he's just absolutely using the hell out of. He's really good at it. No, don't get me. Oh, you got me. You got me. I gotcha. Yeah, and I might switch over to OBS or back over to OBS at some point. It really depends. Like, a lot of the stuff I'm looking at right now are kind of dovetailing into, like, the automation stuff I was looking at doing. So, like, for instance, since I'm learning Street Fighter, I'd like to show on stream, it's like, hey, this is how long I've been playing Street Fighter, you know? So, one of the things that I've been doing is, like, I pulled up the API calls from the Stream API to turn around and hold my hours for the game. So, like, I'm gonna get that in, like, a browser source. I figured that'd be kind of cool. Alright, dude. Do that combo. Probably, okay, if I could figure out the widget piece, like creating those widgets myself, I think that would be everything. Like the alert widgets that pop up and stuff, because I've got all that set up right now. And I just want to keep it kind of simple. So I guess it's probably like an API call being fed to something. That's the only thing I can think of. I'm just too lazy to do it. That's the story of my life right now. Like, I've got so much stuff going on. Like, if I find time to actually work on the stuff when I'm not streaming, it's kind of a miracle.
Fight.
Are we not moving? Dude, I will take the free win. I guess this guy's just gonna take it. Yeah. I probably set up like a Node.js server locally to do all the JSON stuff, like all the, like just call whatever it is, get the call back, send it back through with my animations, etc. Now, if it is JSON, I've got some kind of cool ideas. Or not JSON, but if I can do it through Node.js, I've got some kind of cool ideas. Because there's a JavaScript package called 3. And it allows you to turn around and display 3D models, which I do a lot of Blender stuff. Yeah, okay, that's what I was thinking. Local web server. Have you used Node.js before? I just started using it recently, and I'm a big fan. Oh no! Oh, I whiffed. JavaScript with the I hate. Okay, so I don't like JavaScript, and I've had to do some ServiceNow development in the past, and it's horrible. But what I do like about Node.js is even though it's JavaScript, it's like got a wrapper around it, so it's not as bad. Alright. Dude, good for you. It's so it's only object oriented when you're working with JSON, really, right? Or you're pulling those, I don't know. It's and then like strict JavaScript is like the worst. So yeah. JavaScript, I feel like JavaScript tries to be too friendly and be too many things. It's like the exact opposite of Python, is pretty much the way I look at it. Like, Python can be so freaking just terse sometimes. Ah, whiffed. Ah, dude, that feels bad. Tried to steal Java's Thunder and buck BB script. Dude, okay. So, back a few years ago, there was this big push. I say a few years ago. It was more than a few years ago. But, you know, a lot of companies were using BB script for, like, everything. It's like PowerShell, right? You know? And so I had a lot of customers that were like, hey, you know, we need help transferring all of these VB scripts over to PowerShell. And oh man, that was a nightmare. Like the way VB script had people doing things. It's kind of like how like everybody had that one active, access database in their environment that somehow became production for the longest time. Oh, I had him. Ah! Might see about just there might be a Node.js package for it already, but I'm gonna see if I can develop a little Node.js package to turn around and accept webhooks, or not webhooks, the Streamlabs data, which it probably is a webhook, right? Not Streamlabs data. Oh my god, I can't even talk. I'll probably see if I can develop a Node.js application to accept whatever Twitch is sending out for alerts. That's it. Actually, I'm kind of curious about this now. Let me see. Twitch JSON. Twitch chat JSON. example message parser. So I need to go look at. I need to. So what? I didn't realize there was the whole Twitch developers page. I'm dumb. Okay, we're gonna have to check that out. That's gonna be a whole nother rabbit hole to go down. You've used Sakura 9 million times. You've won 2 games. All right, Ken.
Fight! Hadouken! 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 Hadouken!
That will work.
Hadouken!
Ah, that's over. She's so demoralizing.
Round 2.
Sakura?
Fight!
Yeah, I knew that was coming. Alright. A little bit of a bummer, but it's all good.
Lose.
Alright. I'm gonna play this last round, then I gotta go clean for a minute. I got some dishes that are being ignored for a little bit today. I gotta go do those.
Round 1. Fight! Hadouken!
You just gonna keep grabbing me, man? Yeah, that's what my yeah, man, you can have me in game if you want. That's what I played with some friends of mine last night, and they're at varying better levels of Street Fighter play than I am. I don't know. I'm kind of excited about going through the Geef's Gym stuff. I think that's gonna be super helpful. Oh, feels bad. You're afraid of neutral. You skip it every time if you can. Are you talking about I should do more neutral hits? Or is that like a standing neutral? Because I sort of understand the term, but not quite. All right. Well, I'm gonna hop off here. I gotta go hit these dishes, but I'll be back a little bit later. Neutral is. Gotcha. Gotcha. Cool. All right, man. Well, I'm gonna hop off here, and I'll be back a little bit later. Either try and jump in or Tatsu in. Ah, gotcha. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take that to training mode. Cool, man. Well, I'll catch you next time on stream.